what would be your recommendation for staying ahead of the curve?
Really, Amazon is a whole nother world. You need to be in that world. You need to be part of either group chats where people are discussing the new fee updates or the new, any type of new rules. Me constantly, in my office, I have a TV in the background where I'll constantly just have, YouTube playing just different podcasts with people and just different updates from Amazon. If you're in the world, you'll be updated with what's going on. The problem is a lot of people, they think Amazon is just you throw something up there and it'll sell, and they really don't give it too much attention, and they don't know what's really flying on Amazon, and then they get in trouble with certain things. I've had people, can I ask my friend to leave me reviews? I want to, and I'm like, no. He's like, what do you mean? I told 5 people to buy my product and leave me reviews, and it's like, are you crazy? Like, Amazon knows the review percentage. They look at where the reviews are coming from. Like you should never risk your business for something like that. It's a crazy thing. But if you're not in the world, and it's so hard to stay up to date with everything. There's so much information and different changes in the algorithm and everything, all these understanding. But like, you need to, if you're in the world and you're in group chats or you're watching listening to podcasts or watching YouTubes, like, you should make it something, even once a week, just listen to something. There's so much information out there. That's how I learned everything when I didn't know anything about Amazon years and years ago, from YouTube and just research.